In this video, how Lego custom minifigures can be a solution if Lego does not release your favorite Lego minifigure, and that's coming up now. Hi everyone, in this video I am going to tell you how Lego's custom minifigures can be a solution if Lego does not release your favorite character in Lego. Are you tired of Lego not releasing your favorite character in Lego, like Mario or Luigi or Bowser or Thomas Wayne Batman? Or any character like that? To solve that problem, just make your own Lego custom made for the character you want Lego to release. All you have to do is grab some paintbrush, a cup of water, and maybe even some acrylic paint. And then you just paint the minifigure you're going to use to paint over. Think of a character that Lego has not released in official Lego sets yet. You just search for a picture, an image of that character on Google, and you use that as the image for making your Lego custom minifigure. Well, again, Lego custom minifigures are plus painting equals the unreleased Lego minifigure solution. If you enjoy Lego custom minifigure videos or Lego custom minifigure hats, like the video you're watching right now, and subscribe button is below this video. And I'll see you next time. Bye.